Welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Amika Blow Dryer Brush and having Kinky Twists. I love how versatile my hair is. I can have it in cornrows, I can have braids, I can have it straight, I can have my afro. I've got 4C hair, so yeah, I can do anything with it. But anyway, I'm just about to have it braided, and usually after washing it, I use African threading just to stretch it out so that, you know, the braids sit really well and, you know, it's not fizzy or anything. But then I got this brush for an Instagram collaboration, and it's the Amika brush. So you can actually dry your hair with it, or you can curl your hair, I think. Yeah, it's a blow dryer brush. It's the Amika Blow Dryer Brush. So I'm gonna use it on my hair. I don't like using heat on my hair, but then I'm actually going to use the lowest setting, just so not to stretch it out completely, but just so it's not as fizzy, so that when I have it braided, it actually sits really well with the braids. So I like that this brush has got quite a few settings, so I don't have to have it on the highest heat. I can have it actually, I think I'll start with the lowest. I'll use the lowest and then see you know, how it dries my hair and how it actually straightens the hair. So I'm just gonna see how, it's quite big though as well, isn't it? It's quite thick. But let's see how this works on 4C hair. I've already sectioned my hair because normally when I wash it in sections, because it just, you know, when it shrinks, it's just so hard to actually maintain. So I always wash it in sections, and then I plait it in sections just to make it straight, and then you know, I have my braids installed. But yeah, let's see how this works. So the brush comes in this beautiful packaging, and it also has a bit more instructions in the back, just explaining how the brush actually works. It comes also with this leaflet that has all the information on how to use the brush. The booklet actually has maintenance information, warranty, and other safety information. So these are the settings that are on the brush. There's the cool setting, there's a medium setting, and then there's a high setting. So this is what the plug looks like. There's an EU plug and a UK adapter as well. I'll start with this section. Seems to glide really well over my hair. I was actually worried that because my hair is so thick, it might my hair might tangle on the bristles, but actually it seems to be working quite well. So I'm just going to go through all of it just to make sure that it's a bit straighter and drier. It's looking good so far. So after using it, my disadvantages, the first one is I found that the brush was actually too loud. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the sound was just too loud. The second thing is it did not straighten my hair completely. My hair was already towel dry, and it has dried my hair, but my hair is not completely straight. I don't know, maybe I might need to go over it over and over again, or increase the setting, the heat setting. Yeah, that's one of the other things. The third thing is I found the brush to be a bit heavy. I'm not sure how much it weighs, but it's actually just a little bit too heavy for me. Advantages, I liked that this is a 2-in-1 tool, so instead of just holding your blow dryer as well as a brush, this is actually both you know, a blow dryer and a brush together. So I liked that. The second thing is I like this, that you have 3 different settings. You can actually have a cool setting, a low setting, and a high setting. So as I don't like using heat on my hair, I can actually just use the cool setting, and it you know, does the job. And if I wanted to put a little bit more heat, I have the option to use the next one, which is the medium setting. So that's quite good. The third thing is it has bristles, you know, 2 different bristles on it. So there's a short bristle which actually helps to detangle the hair, and there's the longer bristles, and they seem to work really well with my hair. They glide really well on my hair. I think I'm happy with the way my hair looks. It's not as wet as it was before, so I'm just going to tie it up and get ready to have it braided. I'm so excited, can't wait to have my hair done. I'm having Kinky Twists, and I normally have singles in the winter. I normally have my braids just because it's just a nice protective style, and it keeps my head warm. Anyway, I am going to be using this hair for my Kinky Twist, and I actually got colour 1, which is quite close to my natural hair colour. I have used this hair before and I loved the texture of it, especially when you're doing twists or any natural styles. So such a nice colour, and actually this curl pattern is quite close to my natural hair as well. So yeah, I am looking forward to seeing how it's going to look on my head, because it's been such a long time. A family friend actually does my hair. She's been doing my hair for over 20 years. She's absolutely amazing. Can't wait to show you guys how my hair looks in the end. Going to get my hair done this morning. Have everything in here. It's raining and it's freezing cold, and I'm still half asleep, but I am getting my hair done. Just on my way to have my hair done, and when I get there, the first thing she usually does is make me a cup of green tea, and it has to be in the biggest mug, and that is the dead mug that they have. So I have my green tea, and we've just prepped the hair and just starting to have my hair done now. It's probably going to take a few hours. Normally she's quite fast though, so it takes about I'd say about 4 hours maybe. Yeah, she's quite good and she's quite fast. So I'm having my Kinky Twists. She's been doing my hair for a long time. She knows how to take really good care of hair. You know, sometimes when you go to someone different that's never done your hair, they can actually pull the edges, which is not good on your hair. And you find, you know, some people just lose their edges because of all the braiding. But she's very gentle, and she makes sure that the braids are quite secure, but they're not pulling on your roots. So that's really good. Another thing, you know, sometimes when you have your hair done by someone, you find that your hair actually grows longer. I don't know, maybe it's got to do with their energy, or it's just me just like, you know, analyzing everything. But every time she does my hair grows really quick and really fast, and I guess my hair probably likes her fingers. I don't know. Or maybe it's her aura. She's got beautiful aura and beautiful energy, and it's transferring to my hair. But whatever the case is, I love it and it's positive, so I'm happy with that. But seriously, have a look at my hair. Look at the length of my hair. Like, seriously, it looks completely different because my hair's shrunk already. You know, sometimes when I have my afro out and it's a rainy day, I have to make sure that I stay out of the rain, even if the moisture will make it shrink slightly. But, you know, I just can't get rained on when I have my afro out, because my hair, will just turn from being this massive big afro into just a few centimeters, and you might wonder what the hell's going on, but I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. The shrinkage actually means that my hair is actually healthy. It's a sign that my hair is healthy, but that's just one of the things that I love about my hair, that I can have it however, and yeah, it's just amazing. 3.5 hours later, my hair's done and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to style it into different styles, and it's such a perfect length for styling as well, and I'm really happy with it. Just going to walk home, get to enjoy the sun, soak in some vitamin D, and enjoy this lovely day. It's a lovely autumn day, and well, I'm going to be admiring my hair in the process as well. Well, you know, why not? It's a few days later and my hair's settled and I absolutely love it. It looks amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, be sure to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.